first thing that you need is a round object that should be smaller than your paper. Place it slightly above the center. Gently press it down and trace the shape. Inside this circle, we will make Happy Mother Earth, and on the outer side, coronavirus. Mark a point at the center of the circle. Then again, divide this length into half. And then further half. This is the most important step. पहले center point ढूंढना है, फिर उस point और circle के बीच में एक और mid point, and then again ये नए point से bottom तक का half. Draw a line passing through this point, followed by one more randomly drawn line. Now make some leaves, plants or flowers of your choice on it, making sure you have a big leaf on each side. Start making a circle passing through the center point of your outer circle. Now draw some jagged lines to make earth. Draw a U shape in the empty area above the earth. Close the open sided of U by drawing some flowers and leaves. This will be Mother Earth's crown. Further, simply draw curved lines to make eyes, nose and smile. Draw neck and pull the lines outwards to make shoulders. If anything goes wrong, draw more plants or leaves around to balance the drawing. Now it's time to make hair. Just draw wavy lines beginning from the top and touching the shoulders. Continue them from the shoulders to the circle. In this remaining area, draw anything of your choice. You can draw plants, flowers, animals or leaves, or you can just leave it like this, whatever suits you. To make the shape of coronavirus, start drawing a dotted line outside your circle, making sure you leave around 1 finger gap between each dot. Now draw a small, wide, elongated U shape on each dot. Don't join them together. Join these open ends by drawing an inverted C or a bean shape as shown. In the end, draw some oval shapes in this empty area. So this is how you draw it. The next and the last step is coloring. You can use any colors of your choice, and as I always say, be creative. As you can see, it's my son who helped me color the entire composition. If you like this idea of coronavirus, nature's vaccine against pollution, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.